Choosing the right editing tool for your needs. Choosing the right photo editing tools can be a difficult task. With so many options available, it's easy to get overwhelmed. But fear not. We are here to simplify the process for you. The first step is understanding your needs. What kind of photos do you take? Are you a casual smartphone photographer or a professional? Different tools cater to different needs. Let's start with the basics. Lightroom and Adobe Photoshop Express are great for beginners. They offer easy-to-use features for color correction, cropping, and enhancing your photos. Adobe Lightroom is a great tool if you're looking to edit high-quality photos. It's perfect for photographers who need to manage and edit large batches of photos. With Lightroom, you can easily adjust exposure, color, tone, contrast, and more. Adobe Photoshop Express is a mobile-friendly version of Photoshop that's great for quick edits and filters. It is an ideal tool if you are looking for a user-friendly tool which offers a range of features like cropping, straightening, rotating, and flipping photos. For more advanced users, Adobe Photoshop Express offers a lot. From layers to detailed retouching, it's a powerful tool for refining your photos. Snapseed is another fantastic choice. It's user-friendly and offers a range of filters and tools for quick editing. It is known for its precision and control. You can fine-tune details in specific areas of your photos with its selective adjustment feature. If you're feeling creative, VSCO and Pixlr are your go-to options. They provide a wide range of artistic filters and effects to make your photos stand out. VSCO is not just an editing app, but also a creative channel. It's known for its stunning filters and effects that can give your photos a professional look with just a few taps. Pixlr, on the other hand, is an online photo editor that allows you to edit photos directly in your browser. It's great for quick edits when you don't have access to your usual editing software. If you like to have fun with your photos, PixArt is a playful platform with stickers, doodles, and more. It's perfect for adding a touch of whimsy. It offers everything from basic editing tools to special effects, custom stickers, and even drawing tools. Now, if you want to create social media graphics or posters, Canva is your best friend. It offers powerful design tools for all your graphic needs. Professional photographers, listen up. ProCam is your choice for advanced photography. It provides manual controls and settings for that perfect shot. If you are an iPhone user who wants more control over your camera settings, ProCam is for you. It turns your iPhone into a powerful manual camera. Last but not least, Afterlight is ideal for those final touches. It offers filters, textures, and frames to give your photos that extra touch. It offers a balance between serious photo editing and playful creativity with features like double exposure, dusty textures, and light leaks. In the end, the choice is yours. Whether you are a beginner, an artist, or a pro, there's a photo editing tool for you. Explore and experiment to find what suits your style. Understand your needs, explore the options, and let your creativity flow. Happy editing!